A staff from the Botanic Gardens shared with me that there are 2 spikes of Tiger Orchids that are in bloom right now. So follow me to check out to see if it's really true. We start from the Napier MRT station and walk towards the turning gate. Turn right towards the direction of the visitor center. Follow this path. Okay, when you see this signboard, turn left and go up the steps. And you will see the Heritage Museum on your left. Continue walking straight ahead. And we have reached the curtain of roots. Continue to walk straight all the way through the walkway, and at the end, I believe we will find the Tiger Orchid. And here is the Tiger Orchid. So we have reached the Tiger Orchids. Yes, I can see there's one spike of orchid over here, and there's another one over here. This one seems like there are still some buds at the end, so perhaps in a few days it could be more spectacular. The chicken are also here to see the Tiger Orchids. This particular species, the Southeast Asia Tiger Orchids, is the largest species of orchids in the world. So this one here, this one plant is about 164 years old. So the young orchids actually begin life as epiphytes, meaning they actually grow on trees for the support. As they grow older, they become very heavy and may just drop off from the branches, but they will continue to take root in the ground, okay, continue to grow, and this is estimated to be about 5 meters in width, and it could weigh up to 1 to 2 tons. So this is actually a single plant branching out in a horizontal manner. The blooming doesn't happen every year. It may take up to 4 years before you can see the flower again. So it's normally triggered by a change in weather. So you could have a period of raining days followed by hot and dry spells. So come down to have a look before it's gone. You may have to wait for another year or more if you want to see it again.